Here are 50 quotes to inspire a successful career and a purposeful life. 1. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. 2. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. Confucius. 3. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 4. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Steve Jobs. 5. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. 6. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. 7. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson. 8. Success is not in what you have, but who you are. Bo Bennett. 9. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. 10. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill. 11. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. 12. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. 13. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. 14. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 15. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Zig Ziglar. 16. I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Stephen Covey. 17. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 18. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. 19. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi. 20. Dream big and dare to fail. Norman Vaughn. 21. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Roe T. Bennett. 22. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. 23. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Walt Whitman. 24. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Charles Kingsley. 25. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. 26. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. William Butler Yeats. 27. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. 28. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 29. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 30. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. 31. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Chris Grosser. 32. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. W.P. Kinsella. 33. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. By Dal Sassoon. 34. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Theodore Roosevelt. 35. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Conrad Hilton. 36. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. Nikos Kazantzakis. 37. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. Unknown. 38. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Colinar Davis. 39. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. 40. To be successful, you have to have your heart in your business, and your business in your heart. Thomas J. Watson. 41. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Mark Zuckerberg. 42. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Jim Rohn. 43. The secret of success is to do the common thing uncommonly well. John D. Rockefeller Jr. 44. Do not be embarrassed by your failures. Learn from them and start again. Richard Branson. 45. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Dale Carnegie. 46. Success is not the absence of failure, it's the persistence through failure. Aisha Tyler. 47. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. George S. Patton. 48. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 49. It is never too late to be what you might have been. George Eliot. 50. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson.